In our plan, we would like to insert also the floor and ceiling. From Architectural Tool Palette, we can run floor and ceiling command, specify, and first of all, I can choose if I want to insert floor or roof, and we can work, for example, for floor, we can work with in different ways: existing outline, automatic outline, or rectangular outline. It's also possible to specify thickness and the dimension of the tiles. Clicking over the picture, we can choose 4 different types of floor in that case. For example, we can choose squared floor, and now I can leave automatic outline because we created our room. It's a closed room, so we don't need to choose existing or rectangular. But in this case, using automatic outline and pressing OK button, I just have to click inside the room and then to identify the rotation angle for the tiles, for example, 45 degrees, and enter. The software inserts the floor and hides the floor in the plan view. If I want to see the floor, I need to move View and Shade and Isometric View, because the floor is a three-dimensional object and I don't need to see that object in 2D, sorry, just in 3D. We can apply the shadow, and we can also use 3D orbit, and we can see the floor inside our room. I can come back to the plan, and I can run again from Architectural Floor command. I can change and send floor, for example. OK button. In this case, another point inside. You can see that our 3 rooms are exactly our closed room. So I have just to click inside, and the software recognizes automatically the perimeter, and in this case, 0 angle. And the second object has been inserted. I can repeat again. In this case, marble floor. Third one, angle 0. We can move in 3D, and we can see our floor just applied. Coming back to the plan, we can do and we can run the same command to insert also the ceiling. I activate roof option. I can identify also, I can change the roof, the height of the roof, a thickness, tiles. So I don't care about tiles because it's a standard. And in this case, I don't insert using automatic outline, but I change and I use rectangular outline. I press OK, and with the rectangular outline, I can identify the 2 opposite corners, 1 and 2. Angle 0, that's fine. So now the roof has been inserted, but if I move in View and Shade and I change Isometric View and you apply Realistic Visual Style, the software doesn't show you the roof. The reason is, if it shows you the roof, you cannot watch inside your room. You cannot see anything inside. If you want to see the roof, you have to move to the layer and choose 400 Roof 3D. As you can see, the layer has been turned off. You just need to turn on the layer and you can see the result. Usually the roof is required for the perspective viewport and for the rendering in order to reflect the lights and to illuminate your room. But in this case, when we use isometric viewport, we don't need the roof. And that's the reason why the software automatically hides the roof when you move into a 3D viewport.